It's all about movement. Point to point, here to there, getting the right things to the right people, across any distance. When it comes to movement, MHS is creating a revolution. We build tailor-made warehousing and logistics systems, along with custom fabricated equipment designed just for you. Seamlessly automated to improve accuracy and efficiency while minimizing downtime. When it comes to leading your market, every second matters. You need cutting-edge technology and a partner that can bring it all together like no one else. Robotics, sorters, conveyors, loading and unloading systems, all working together seamlessly to drive your success. To help find new opportunities in existing locations or expand into new spaces with modular platforms that adapt to your business and your workspace. Optical sorting systems that sort and collate packages using advanced video scanning. AI-guided robots that can move packages of every size and shape. Our ability to solve problems is matched only by the level of our service. From training and safety to 24/7 customer support. On the phone or in person, our job is to make you even better at yours. We are end-to-end and everything in between. We are a global engine that keeps businesses moving across continents. We have your back. We are MHS, and we move the world.